Make I narrate this tax thing. We will start by next year. Abi, we don already start safe. This tax new law we government bring now for just big people. Make I put on that way. First, if you know the end past 800,000 in a year, that is, make I say your salary NRA they see 50,000 every year. No worry yourself. This tax not be for you, not be for us. Yeah. In a year, as per your whole money, your whole income no pass 800,000 in a year. When I talk about income now your salary, that is your own benefits. No be money wey enter your account come out to your own benefit. No get wahala, no get shaky. Just forget about that. The tax thing no concern you. Then where the thing go come concern you now? When after the 800,000, that is inside the whole year, your earnings, your savings, I don't mean your savings, I mean your earnings. That is your profit wey you make for any business wey you do past 800,000. You go come out the first 800,000. Then any other thing apart from the 800,000, that if you earn 900,000, if you earn 850,000, you go pay 50,000 naira tax back to government. That is, you go pay inside the 50,000, you go pay tax. You go cut out your 25% of your 20% they charge. Go pay government, and you pay them once in a year. Then after that year, the next year again, you go start afresh. That is, even for every year now you earn 800,000. I dey focus on small people because na small people they confuse pass for this thing. For every year now you earn 800,000. You don't get shaky. You no supposed to pay any tax. Government nothing concern you and government. Then if for example, when we say that 800,000 come add, maybe after the 800,000 you earn, maybe 2025 you earn 800,000. 2026 you can earn 810,000. Now that 10,000 now you go carry calculate your tax, go pay government. You dey get me, right? That's what the thing just be. Now after that year, the next year again, if you continue like that, maybe they earn every year 810,000. Now that 10,000 they go tax. Leave that 800,000. So now so the thing be. Then another thing you guys know we say you guys dey very now at this period now, you guys dey clarify wetin they use their money do. Yes, government now don't turn to our father and mother. You guys dey tell them wetin you use their money do. Tell them who her. If now Emeka dey send give money, tell them say he dey send give Emeka money, and you go describe am very well. No be money sent, no be those ones. Because if you dey do am accumulatively every year, they go dey look am. They look at it. If money wey you send, they no understand am, bro. They will come finally ask you. All these things now, people they pass 800,000. Oh, I go tell now later people they pass 800,000 how I take the pay na money, because I just read through the whole thing and I find out say the thing don't really dey hard. Now just small understand the way you guys get, and if you get them, you know, get issue. You get me? So this one are particularly for people they earn lesser than 800,000. If you know say they earn 800,000 below yearly, that is your whole income after all your expenses, after all your debit, after all your charges, after everything wey you do. Anyway, I mean be say now your profit, no be just any money, it's your fucking profit, not just any money, not just money coming into your account and going out. Like POS people now, they earn, some of them they earn 5,000 inside a day. They make 5,000, then they make 5,000 every day. And if you accumulate 5,000 every day inside 1 month, inside 1 month is almost around 130 and okay 150,000. They give almost 150,000. Now that 150,000, you come out your expenses, your daily routine, your money where you do. That's why you have to describe the money where they spend, right? Because government will not say you earn 150,000. For example, you earn 150,000. Now, how you take spend the 150,000? Definitely you go chop, definitely you go do things, definitely you go do expenses. So they narrate these expenses anytime they do it from your account, especially if they use account. When people they use cash, self, no worry, nothing concerning them. But one day, but nothing concerning them. In the long run, government be like, you know they are life, you know be one being, you know those kind of things. So back to this thing. So that 150 now, what they do? The 150 they get now as a PS and as a PS owner or any person they receive money, small money every day, and then the rest they accumulate to 5,000. Now once that 1 month don't reach, after 1 month you make like 150,000. If you calculate 150,000 times 12 months, 150,000 times 12 months supposed to give you more than 1 point something million. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to give you almost 1.6 1.8 million to 1.8 million. I mean 1.7 something. So inside that 1.7 something, now definitely every month you dey chop now. So you go do your calculations, you go describe all your calculations to the government. Let them know say inside that 151 I make every month, see how much I make as expenses to survive. Maybe say see how much I make as expenses to survive. Then it can't run up to think customer up to like okay, you can't they make only 50,000 as savings. Now the other 50,000 as savings now. Once in a year, you know reach 800,000. Don't worry yourself. So basically, this thing is beneficial to people small business owners, which they don't get wahala. If you don't make, it's just as simple as if you don't make 800,000 in a year, forget them. No worry yourself about tax reform.